Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fish in Skull and Bones. To do this, first you'll need to acquire the throwing spear that I have right here. Then make sure that you're in the ship mode and then approach the place where there's like fish jumping out of the sea. We can hold the right click on our mouse if you're the PC player. If you're playing on the gamepad or something, then I have no idea which button you need to press, and then simply throw the spear into the fish. And keep in mind that when you actually manage to fish some fishes, approach them and loot them as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.